Creating AI videos using movement from another video is one of the most used techniques in the construction of AI-based content. This tutorial will show you exactly how to do it using two simple tools. I'm Nico, I've been doing marketing for 16 years and now I'm sharing some of the most awesome tricks that we use every day in my agency. We serve clients in over 25 countries all around the world. So this is definitely useful for you.
The marketing update.
So the tools we're going to use are Magnific and Gemini. Magnific was previously known as FreePik. So basically this platform is really useful for most marketing agencies and marketing people because it has the power of adding up most of the image creation and video creation AI models into one system. So it's paid, it's not free. I'm sure there are many free possibilities, but this one, I love it because it's really quick and solves most problems. So when you get into Magnific, you're going to see this, basically home search stock. Now, we go into home and we're going to create a video. So we go into video and right there, we are going to go into video generator. Right there in video generator, this is going to ask us, model, which model do you want to use? Now, if you want to know about models, we are creating new videos explaining what each model does and what are the benefits of each. But we're going to go straight into using the model that best works for this purpose. So we're going to go here and it says all models, right? And in all models, we have here one feature that we are looking for. That feature is called motion control. Now, motion control has the possibility of swapping the character using another video's motion effects. Basically, swapping the person that is being shown in the video and whatever that person has. So, we're going to use, there are all of these options, but I'm going to use the cheapest one that's called Kling 2.6. It's good enough. It's really good enough for most UGC purposes. There are better ones, but Kling 2.6 is very good. Right here it says 150 to 750 tokens, which is very good. We're going to go with that. Magnific is going to ask us for two things. The first is the character and the second is the motion reference. Now, for the purpose of this video, I have pre-recorded a video of myself with a case and my son. It's a pre-recorded video. We're going to change the character and what we're going to do is we're going to use that as a basic element for us to change the character into another one. So I took a screen capture of that video, basically that screen capture, and I'm going to move it into Gemini. So right there, we grab this, we put it into Gemini, and I'm going to ask it.
Create an image of a 3D tiger holding a bag of cookies, steeping this as a keeping the same shape and size that the character is currently using. I want
there. So there you go. We have a tiger instead of myself. We're going to basically download that. And that is the character that we're going to introduce into our Magnific. Now, choose a character. We're going to basically upload an image. And we have a tiger. There we are. And add a reference. So the reference is the video that I just recorded. There you go. So once we have those two, we are going to prompt this.
Swap the character of the video using the given reference.
So it's going to start generating, and we are going to see what the results are going to be. So let's check out the result. This is a pre-recorded video. We're going to change the character and the elements. There you go, super cool. You see, you can change that into any character that you want and any physical element that you want. So in this case, we swapped this and myself into a super cool tiger with an AI-generated cookie bag. So you can do whatever you want. swap it into a supermodel, swap it into a bird, swap it into anything you want. It's definitely going to work, and the result is awesome. Plus, it comes in very, very high quality, and it looks great. The voice. You want to change the voice. You want to change the lip sync. All that is possible. That is part of another tutorial. For that, you would use another couple of models, but we can definitely do it using Magnific. So if you want to take that next step, or if you want me to create more videos on swapping characters, just comment on this video, ask for it, and we, with my team, are going to create more videos for this. So make sure you subscribe, make sure that you ask your questions, that you follow, and I hope that you really enjoy this quick, to the point tutorial.
We accelerate. Funky voice. The marketing update.